Okay, engineer will connect with the 4G antenna with the controllers. Displays the GPRS. Then you need to take out the card slot and insert the 4G card and put in. After that, you need checking the GPRS light. Waiting 2 or 3 minutes, it will flash yellow and it's time for your connecting wire. Then you need to check your computer's whether connecting with the network. Then engineer will show you. At first, open the Intelligent Travel Management Cloud software. Maybe need some time. And log in. At first, you need to check your service IP and modify it. This was our served IP, but in your computer, you have the owner served IP. Then you can clean with the radar designers if it was your intersection situation and click it. Then you can check your intersection traffic light running situation. Okay, that's all.